Stop. Look at your Leica M11. Now, look at the calendar. We are officially in 2026, and the ground beneath the photography world is shifting. For 70 years, the Leica M has been the untouchable king of street photography, a mechanical masterpiece that refused to change. But right now, whispers from Wetzlar are turning into a roar. The Leica M12 is not just a new camera, it is a declaration of war against the status quo. If the leaks are true, Leica is about to break their own sacred rules to create a machine that shouldn't exist. We are talking about the death of the mechanical rangefinder as we know it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The birth of a hybrid monster, and a sensor that might finally settle the debate between analog soul and digital perfection. If you are even thinking about buying a camera this year, you need to hear this, because the M12 is about to make every other digital M look like a prototype. Let's address the elephant in the room, the viewfinder. For decades, the optical rangefinder has been the soul of the M system. It's why we pay the Leica tax. But the M12 is rumored to feature a hybrid viewfinder that will leave purists either cheering or screaming in the streets of New York. Imagine the clarity of an optical window combined with a 5.76 million EVF overlay, just like the Fuji X100 series, but perfected with German glass. This isn't just about tech, it's about accessibility. With the new M-mount lenses focusing down to 0.3 meters, the old mechanical rangefinder simply can't keep up. The M12 solves this. It gives you the soul of the rangefinder for street work, and the precision of a pro-grade EVF for that razor-sharp close-up bokeh. This one change alone makes the M12 the most versatile camera Leica has ever built. But the real shockwave is the sensor. For years, Leica has relied on outside partners for their silicon. But the 2026 reports suggest Leica is finally moving toward a proprietary, made in-house sensor architecture. We are looking at a potential 100 megapixel triple resolution sensor. Think about that. You can shoot at 100 megapixels when you're in the studio, 60 megapixels for high-speed street work, and 18 megapixels when you want that creamy, film-like organic look with massive dynamic range. This isn't just a megapixel race, it's about the Leica look. By controlling the sensor design, Leica can finally tune the color science at a hardware level to mimic the legendary M9 CCD sensor while maintaining the low-light performance of a modern CMOS. It's the holy grail of digital photography. Now, let's talk about the body. Leica is reportedly going smaller. After the M11 grew slightly to accommodate the new battery and electronics, the M12 is rumored to be 3 mm thinner. In the world of Leica, 3 mm is a mile. It's a return to the perfect dimensions of the M6. But there's a catch. To get that thin, Leica might finally be removing the dedicated ISO dial. Purists, take a breath. The rumor is a new command thumb wheel that allows for tactile control without the bulk of the old pop-up dial. It's sleeker, it's more weather-sealed, and it's built for the photographer who needs to change settings without taking their eye off the hybrid finder. And then there is the forbidden feature, IBIS. For years, Leica executives said in-body image stabilization was impossible in an M-body because it would ruin the rangefinder alignment. But it's 2026. Tech has evolved. Leaks suggest Leica has patented a